Hi cuties, Winnie here. Welcome to my Draw So Cute Summer series. Today we're going to draw the sun holding a popsicle stick to celebrate summer. So let's get started. To draw the sun, I'm going to use this cup as my circle template, only because I'm drawing pretty big. So I'm just going to go around and trace my circle. And as I come to this area, I'm going to just give myself a little space on this edge because I know there's a popsicle stick I need to draw in there. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish the whole circle. So from there, I'm going to find the center of the circle in the top area for my to draw my heart shades. So just say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a curve right in the center, and I'm going to thicken that curve with another one at the bottom. And then from there, I'm going to start to draw my heart. So I'm just going to start this side first, and I'm going to draw the top of my heart. So I'm just kind of aiming as this heart right here, and this is going to be my center of this space. So from here, I'm going to imagine this going through, finishing my heart. And let's do this other side. So I'm going to get close to the edge and finish my heart. So it's the same thing. Once again, aiming for the center of this space. So about right here. And imagine it going down. Looking at this as my end. So about right here. And then once again towards the edge and connect. And fix this curve right here. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come in and draw the same thing that I did on the outside. To give my pair of glasses here an edge. So same thing over here. And then let's come to the side right here of the glasses. I'm just going to pop out a little edge right here. Okay, so we have our glasses in. Let's come in between the glasses and we're going to draw a smile. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a little smile that kind of goes up a little bit. Cap it off and then connect it with a deep curve. And then you can add a little tongue right here. And then let's come in here and I'm just going to give myself a little highlight on both sides. And then I'm going to shade this part in black so you can see a little bit better. There. Okay, so I have my eyes and my mouth in. Let's come to the side right here and I'm going to draw my popsicle stick. So let's see here. About in this area where I left it blank, I'm going to come close to my glasses and let's see, I'll draw a curve right here, the top of my popsicle stick. And then I'm going to bring it down with a straight line. A really big popsicle stick, and then go ahead and connect it towards the bottom right here, and let's add the stick, and I'm going to come in here and draw some curves to give my popsicle stick here some color, and then I'm going to try my best to finish off my circle. There. So cute, right? Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw the rays. So I'm going to start, since this is my center, I'm just going to start with the top ray first, just to make it easier. So I'm basically drawing a bunch of kind of like triangles around the sun. So I'm just going to start to build. I'm just going to give myself some space as I go. All the way around. So there's different ways to draw the rays of the sun. Just pick the one that you love the most. or is the easiest for you. So I'm just going to go around, and as you notice, I'm changing the direction of my point as I come down. So as I come to here, I'm just going to try to fit in as many, just take a look and step back and see how many I can fit. So maybe about 2 more. There. Kind of got it right, right? It's not going to be perfect, but as long as we have these triangles all the way around the sun to make it look really bright. And let's come to the side right here. Let's just say about right here. And I'm going to add a curve. So about right here, I'm going to add a curve that comes down so that the sun is holding the popsicle stick. So let's say about right here. I'm going to add a curve that comes down. And as I come right here, I'm going to thicken the end. There. So that's pretty much it for our sun holding a popsicle stick. Now to color it. So there, I hope you love how this sun turned out and inspires you to draw for this summer. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.